So that is my powder soap. That is my powder soap that I use to wash either clothes, carpet, floor. Yeah. So I was now putting the powder soap before I start doing what scrubbing. And guys, let me tell you, this work is not easy. It is very hard, guys. Now that is the brush. You see me? Do you see me? Now that is how we do it. You start by scrubbing. Like, it needs a lot of energy. If you don't have energy, guys, you are not going to, like, it is going to be very hard. Yeah, it is going to be very difficult for you. So you must have at least energy to do it, to scrub it, because it is a hard work. To scrub that carpet, guys, let us scrub and see how the end result will be. Stay with me, guys, as we wash our carpet. So at this point, guys, this is round 2. After draining all the water from the carpet, from the first wash. Now this was the second one. Now I was again brushing now the carpet with a brush to remove the water, the dirty water, and also to scrub it well now with a long brush. As you can see me there, guys, I am scrubbing the carpet, and it was a very nice work. I did it out of love because I really like doing this. So guys, if you don't know how you can wash your carpet, this is the only way that you can wash your carpet. If you don't have money to take your carpet to the carpet wash, or maybe you don't have a machine that you can wash your carpet, you can do it by yourself. Yeah, it is. I know it's hard. It is time consuming. It is not easy, by the way. It is a hard work, especially scrubbing that carpet. It is very, very hard. It really needs a lot of energy. Yeah. So guys, at this point, now my carpet was very, very clean. Oh my god, you can even see the foam. Yeah, you can even see the foam from the powder soap. It is very clean, which means that the carpet is clean. If it removes it brings out the, if it brings out the foam, which is dirty, that means that it is dirty. But if you're scrubbing and the foam that is coming out is white, that means that now your carpet is very, very clean, guys. As you can see, I was happy. And now I started to rinse my carpet. I was now rinsing my carpet and to remove the, the excess foam from the soap. So guys, at this point, I was breathing in and breathing out because it was not easy, guys. I was really tired. I kept on, and the girls were also there learning from me, you see. So guys, look at my carpet. Oh my god, I was tired because I was fetching water from elsewhere. It was not easy. So if you have never tried to wash your carpet, like, you really need to experience this hard work. You really need to experience it, because it is not as easy as people think. If you go to someone's house and you find their carpet very clean, guys, you should salute that person. Salute them, because it is not an easy task. Washing a carpet is, it is very hard, guys. Now at that time, I wanted now to lift the carpet for the second time. I lifted the carpet. It was very, very heavy. Yeah, the carpet was very heavy, but I had no choice but to lift it. Yeah, I had no choice. At this point, guys, now the work was done. Now it was time. It was that time now to spread the carpet. And guys, it was very heavy. I was trying like, guys, you should clap for me, because this work, it is not a joke. You see, I was trying to lift that carpet and it was very heavy. And I was alone, guys. I was alone in the jungle, alone in the rooftop, lifting this heavy thing. Guys, you should clap for me. You should clap for me, because tell me why a woman like me lifting that carpet, heavy carpet, but it is okay. So guys, I was trying to rinse off the how do I call them? Yeah, I was trying to rinse off the dirt that was, that remained there, and I was rinsing it off so that it can be beautiful. Let's see how the end result looks. Now guys, can you see how my carpet looks? It is very, very clean. This is the work of my hands. Can you try washing your carpet? Look at the end result, guys. Is it not?